Okay, so in the last video, we started drawing our cheetah print. Now we're gonna wrap it up. This is what we got so far, and we just grabbed a new color and we just did a new layer. So now you're just gonna take your same monoline brush and you're just gonna draw little like ovals and oblong shapes, kind of like overlapping what you just did. And just do that until it feels right. A good rule of thumb is just keep adding them until you like it. Okay, we look like this. Now repeat the same thing from last time. Just drag and drop your color and fill in all these shapes. You could always go back and add more if you don't like it. So I'm gonna add a few more. Okay, here's how it ended up. Now click Layers, uncheck that background layer, click your toolbar, select Share, then under Share Layers, select PNG files. Select Save to Images, open up Cricut Design Space, select Upload, select from Photo Library, upload them each as cut files individually. Cheetah.